we're out looking for a suitable place to go crabbing. They closed down the reserve, so we have to find another place to see where we might be able to go. So we're going to go down here and take the ferry across to the other side and see exactly where we can find. Right now we're just passing Holly Beach. You really can't see the water out to that side, but it is just beyond that brush area there. So we're going to go down here and take the ferry, and we'll talk to you later. Well, we're coming up on the ferry now, except we may be closed. Not sure how this is working exactly. Let's see what's going on. No, they just detouring us over to this side. And then we're gonna wait on the ferry right here. This is south of Lake Charles, Louisiana. There's a lot of industry down here, but you can kind of see the intercoastal right off the Gulf of Mexico in the background here. Here comes the ferry. You can see it pulling up. It's called the Acadia.
Now we'll go to the ferry.
Yay!
Yay!
All right, we're going to the ferry. And so we've made it to the other side, so now we're gonna go check out little spots where we might be able to find some crabbing. Let's do it. So we're here in Cameron Parish off Big Lake Road, and we're seeing what's gonna happen here. So we're gonna do a little crabbing, maybe a little fishing, and see what we can find. You can see out there wasn't a whole lot of spots open. They closed down the refuge, so lots of people are out in these smaller spots trying to find places to go. But we're gonna try this little spot.
Hi, what you got?
Just a couple little shrimp
Where is it?
in a bucket over there.
All right. Here it is. 1, 2, 3 shrimps and tiny fish.
Sometimes you come out and your initial plan gets changed. Close down the reserve. It's hard to catch the crab. So you try to catch a few shrimp or something like that.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Because there are many people wants to go
In the few
crabbing.
spots that there are, there's a
Yes.
lot of people.
And we are not allowed to go crabbing in the
In the
refuge.
reserve itself.
Yeah.
So we're just trying a different spot. Big one.
Big one. I saw a while ago that the bridge is coming out.
Yeah, it does.
And there's a traffic over there. None.
Doesn't look like it.
Whoops. That's a nice throw.
That was good.
Yes. So the net is so wide open.
Yeah, that doesn't mean there's going to be anything in it.
Yeah, I know.
But
They're hiding now.
there's
Ooh,
a
there's-
little croaker.
There's a little one.
Just a little
Hello.
croaker.
It would be nice if you are huge, you know that?
Yeah, not. Oh, that's a little catfish.
Ah.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You don't want to touch that little fin on the back.
Oh, it's dangerous.
Yeah, they're poisonous.
And it's poisonous also. Kick!
Flip back in.
Boop. Bye. Really nice. It's a sunny day today. Come on, fishy, come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Get in the net, please. Oh, oh, it's a big one. What is
Yeah,
that?
I think it's a catfish,
catfish
too, and I'm not
again.
keeping the catfish.
Catfish again, and I think there are many catfish over here.
Yeah.
Hi, catfish. You're
Push it back in.
you're so tiny. All right, bye,
Bye, catfish.
bye. Ah, bye,
He's going.
ah, bye. I will check my crab line here. I hope there's one in here. Let's try it out. Okay. Oops. There. Okay. Okay, just slowly. Slowly. Oh, it's a little bit heavier. I think, man. Oops. Where are you, crabs? Are you hiding also, crabs? Oh, there is a little one. It's very tiny. I can see it. See? It's very tiny. Hello, crabs. Why is it tiny? I just... It's just so very tiny.
Now here's one of the unfortunate things. People leave their lines out. They get stuck on things like this tree limb, which I pulled up with my net, but there's too much pollution like this. People, please pick up your lines after you're done. Don't just leave them.
Yes.
You can even see them on that over there. They don't clean up. It endangers the environment. I'm not a huge environmentalist by any means, but it's common sense. Just pick up your lines. Preserve the nature. If you're out here, take care of things.
And we will take care of it now because they did not do it.
We will. Oh, got a shrimp.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
I think there's a couple.
One little bitty one.
One little bitty one and
And
one. Oh, that is
one-
so cute.
little fish.
I don't know what kind of fish is this. It's just so tiny. We have a fish like this in the Philippines, something like this. That's very similar. We call it bully now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just
It's bait.
just
Bait. Oh, you gonna throw it back?
yeah.
All right.
Bye, tiny fish. See you soon when you become big, okay? And also you, come here. Bye, shrimps. You're so tiny.
Oh,
up,
one
there's
shrimp.
one shrimp. Wow, so cute. Come here, Prince.
I don't know if cute's what I'd call him, but
What do you call?
big enough to probably eat.
Maybe.
Barely.
It's the smallest one.
Yeah.
Right?
About as small as you'd want to go.
Like small, medium, and large. This is the small
That's
one.
small.
Yeah, but still, it's fine. We are.
You can pick it up, honey.
He's moving.
Yeah, they do that.
There.
Yeah, that one might be too small.
Where is it?
Thank you.
Where is it?
Right under your foot, honey.
Oh, that's why it's very
think that
tiny. I
one's too
cannot
small.
see it. I think she is a girl.
Okay, put
Look,
it back.
he's pregnant.
Okay, put it back.
Ah! Oop.
Now, this took 5 minutes, and I had no knife. 5 minutes to clean up all this that people had left behind. It's not that hard. Just go ahead and clean up after yourself. Save these refuges so that we have at least a little cleaner environment. And once again, not an environmentalist, but it's just common sense. Make it nice. It would have taken you a minute or less to clean up your line after you were done. So give it a shot sometime. It's all right. Mother Nature will love you for it. Thanks.